get my hair done for my friend 30th birthday party. I had to get out the house, y'all, because I had to get 9 teeth extracted Thursday, and I'm outside. I just put a mask on, but I'm inside my car now. But y'all see me rolling. But I am on the way to my hair appointment. I will be vlogging, so let's get into the video.
To the top of the car.
Light in there was horrible, but this is my hair. I got it crimped so it can last a little while. So, but now I'm about to head to the, I don't know what is this on my forehead, but I'm about to head to the nail salon. I don't know whether I want to get a full set or just this nail fix, but we shall see. Let's go. I made it to the nail salon. It's a little pad, but it'll be okay.
Don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it, can't live without it. How can you stick for the wall? Chase I deposit, money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when Kilo had the spot and trusted you. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk through, they sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it.
My teeth been killing me so bad, so I can't even take some medicine. I'm about to put this wrap around my face for my jaw, because my wisdom tooth is like punching me right here. And I'm about to run up.
Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've kept the whole house full. Then I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Got me with the dudes, 5 mama, keep my ass, bro. Break yourself, you was right on the dash, bro. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers this full.
What's up, y'all? I'm back and I am up because I can't let this tooth hold me down. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to pick out my clothes for my friend birthday party. And I'm about to go get my lashes and my brows and find some cute earrings. I hope y'all can understand me. So yeah, let's get it. Let's go. I could not stay down for long, honey. Let's get it. It is so cute. This is the dress. And I'm thinking about wearing it with, I don't know what heel, but now let's go see which heel I'm going to wear this nice dress with. Okay. So since I am going for this silver look, I have this silver and black look. I have these. Tell me which one y'all think. I don't know if y'all can see them good. Let me see. So let me know which one y'all think in the comments, cause I need to know.
Rapping on God, I was trapping. Get my Glock and LaCour. I got my cake from Osama bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. I'm pro a gang. If you reach for my chain, and a nigga gon' die in this bitch. A B C D E F G wagon, y'all nigga doing that big capture. I ain't with the finish shit. Closest thing y'all get to a handshake and the beat clap. Yo, mama gon' have to make a GoFundMe. Y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab. Gucci had to kill the whole world just to make Young Savage this motherfucking meat jack.
Yeah, good like a star. Up to the top of the car. You don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done said. Can't live without it. How can you stick for the wall? Chase I deposit. Money just stick with the boys. Cash in and cash out. I am not looking for clout. I knew I would figure it out. Said the million I ran. Pop the pig on my head in the cloud. Tell my name to bring out the crowd. We got paid, now my family proud. I've been dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping and dripping. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. Oh, you gotta watch my back. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody.
I should have got my hair cut, but it's cool.
I hope you're responsible. Oh, you gotta watch my back. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible.
You deserve a little thing, yeah. Just wanna take some time to thank you. I see you trying and I told you.
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Okay. What's your name?
I had an online order, Janae.
Janae?
Jynae.
You're good to go.
Thank you. Y'all, I had to stop by Chick-fil-A because your girl is hungry. Like, so I ordered the chicken noodle soup with the ice cream so I can go eat at my grandma's house. Cause that's where my mama at, and she got my shoes there. So I'm gonna go there to go get the shoes. Because, yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go get me something to eat. I was like, yeah. Chick-fil-A run. Okay. Right, I am dressed and ready to go. Y'all, this dress here, I love Shein, but god dang. But yes, let's go. I'm gonna put all my hair on one side. Y'all, please pray that my teeth do not start bothering me because I don't have the time. Let's go.